no lace, no glue, no stress. I'm obsessed. Hi, it's Jen and welcome to Baroque and Boujee, where we're all about looking and feeling like a work of art. And I am so happy to have you here with me today because we are trying on the ISEE half wig with summer officially here. I wanted to try another iteration of this wig just because I love it so much. I mean, it looks so natural, it's so full, it's so beautiful. I am so obsessed with it. I'm currently experimenting with different hairstyles while I grow out my edges, and this wig has been one of my favorites, especially for the summer. So let us get into the ISEE hair wig. Really quickly, I want to mention that I bought this unit off of Amazon as opposed to TikTok Shop because I wanted it now, and that shipping was incredible. I'm not sure if it is a TikTok Shop versus an Amazon situation, but the packaging is not as, you know, fancy schmancy as the other packaging was. But the one that I got from TikTok Shop, you know, when I picked up this unit, I picked it up from TikTok Shop, from the ISEE hair shop on TikTok. This I bought online. And the crazy thing is I had the 18 inches in my cart, and I swear to you, within a matter of seconds, it was sold out. So I opted for a longer unit, and so that is what we currently have. I'm going to take her out. Oh, she looks so good. We're gonna go over her soon, but I want to show you what came within the box. We have some lashes, hair clips. We got an HD wig cap. We also got an extra strap, a wig band, an edge comb and brush with a little spatula at the side to, you know, get the gel that you need to lay everything down seamlessly, and care instructions. And here's a unit which I got in a 20-inch 180 density unit. Okay, she's a little lighter than I remember, but you know, they always come like smashed up like this. But this is how she's looking. I'm loving the color. It's giving all of the color that we needed. It does seem a little bit not as full as this when I got it, but I could be wrong. Maybe I'm not remembering it right. But let's talk about the structure of the unit. You got the wig cap and 4 combs, 2 on the side and 2 at the top and at the bottom. You have a drawstring, which is nice and sturdy. And you also have a wig band right here to help you just secure everything. And the curls are giving, would you say this is a 4C? I don't know. I mean, it's not, when you compare it to this, it's not as kinky as I was hoping for. This seems a little bit more loose, but maybe after we play around with it, then we'll be able to fully get the best out of her. So let's put her on. The installation and takedown of these half wigs are amazing because literally you just plop it up like that and there you go. And oh, I love her so much. Yeah, this is not, the texture is, maybe I'm off. What do you guys think? Am I off? But again, I've been wearing this for a minute, so maybe it gets a little bit more kinky over time. And I want to show you just how amazing these half wigs are because this is the amount of leave out that I need. Just a teensy, winty little bit of hair is perfect, especially as, again, I'm growing out my edges. And right now I have my hair currently cornrowed back. I have a wig cap over, and then I have a wig grip that I have added to the edge. And that, I kid you not, makes the hair so snug. It fits beautifully, like perfectly, right? And so now we are going to add her, and she smells good. She smells really good. You know, sometimes you got that hair and it smells a little interesting. Okay, so to apply, I'm not gonna actually add the clips because I have this wig grip, and whew, that's so easy. It is big head friendly, I would say. I don't know if I have a big head. Maybe I have a medium sized head, but see, we have a little bit of hair out right there. And this is how she's looking. Straight out of the box. Is she really 20 inches? We're gonna check it out. I'm pretty sure she's 20 inches, but you never know sometimes. These companies, you know. Some of the reviews I read online said, like, make sure it's actually 20 inches. And yep, it's a little bit past 20 inches. It's about like 20 and a half inches was what the front unit was, the front strands were giving me. So I'm gonna put the hair up a little bit and just segment it out while we style it. And so we're going to brush her out, and it's definitely a lot more kinky as you brush her out, and it's really easy to brush. I mean, there's very minimal shedding. Brush some more. This is more of the volume that I was hoping for, at least with the other unit that I had that was also 180 density, and I believe that was either 16 or 18 inches. Actually, that was 18 inches. So this is not that much more different, yet for some reason that other one felt so much more fuller, so much more kinkier. But oh my gosh, I am obsessed with her. This is exactly what I wanted for summer. I wanted full, I wanted a full head of hair. All her life, all she wanted was hair. All her life, all she wanted was hair. Yes. That is definitely what it's giving. I mean, who is she? I am absolutely obsessed with this hair. I mean, this is how it looks combed out. And now it's time to style it a little bit to define those curls. So what we're gonna do is we are going to separate it into two sides. And I can already tell you that right now it's very manageable. So I've separated the hair out, and I'm gonna use some water. And yes, this is Amika's Intensive Moisture Leave-In Conditioner. This is empty, it's filled with water. Although I will say, when I had this, I absolutely loved it. It smelled so incredibly good, but I needed something to kind of, you know, spritz my hair with for the sake of this video. And I'm not gonna get my hair fully drenched so that it doesn't take forever to dry. So I wet the hair, and I'm going to add my L's Curl Defining Mousse with Hold. I live by this mousse because not only does it smell absolutely divine, but it actually leaves quite the hold. And I'm gonna use a brush to just kind of go through the hair a little bit more. And it seems like with this, the ends are going to be where you need to concentrate some additional love so it doesn't get tangled. You know what I mean? And then you can, you know, twist out the curls. I'm not doing too much with it because I just kind of want it to do its own thing. And that's how it looks. It's bounced back and it looks good. So now I'm gonna do the rest of my hair. So this is one side of the hair, all defined with a little bit of water and mousse. And it is definitely showing a little bit more of the curls, more of the texture. Again, as it dries, it's gonna be a happy medium between this fullness and also this. I'm gonna do this side of the hair and then I'm gonna get back to you guys. So this is how the hair is looking so far. What do you guys think? I'm obsessed. I absolutely love it. It is so bouncy. It is so full. Not as tight curls as I would like for it to be, but it is curly enough. And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna move the hair back, and the little bit of leave out that I have right here, I'm going to just add some mousse right to it, and a little bit of my edges. I'm just gonna brush it over so you can't really see much. You can still see the natural hairline. So this is how it looks up close, and you cannot see any tracks anywhere. It all looks so good, so fabulous, so full. No lace, no glue, no stress. I'm obsessed. Yes, I am. Like, this is the kind of summer hair that I want. I can imagine myself going on vacation, somewhere tropical, somewhere, you know, somewhere fabulous with this hair. It is so incredibly beautiful. I love the color. I love this shade of blonde, and it is just super duper cute, and it blends very well with my 4C hair. Again, I have very fine 4C curls, and it got all the way together with this look. Like, you can't tell me this didn't grow from my scalp, because look at it, so good. I'm not gonna frame the face just because I would like to wear this in so many different ways, right? I'd like to wear it, you know, flipped over to the side. I still have to try that style, but just a little, you know, middle situation. This is what it's looking like. It is super beginner friendly, very easy to just pop on, run out the door, especially if you live a very busy lifestyle. I think the maintenance of this should be rather simple. Again, wet it, hydrate it, take care of it. It's human hair. Again, not a lot of shedding, but as I was styling it, there were little strands here and there. So just keep that in mind. I'm not sure if it's because of the length, that's why it lost some of the fullness. I'm not sure if it's the density, but I will say that my other unit was also 180 density. And when you compare them to each other, I mean, this is definitely more full than this is. And you know what? I am totally okay with that, because this, as beautiful and as lovely as she is, was a little bit much to handle at times. What are you guys' thoughts? What do you think? Are you gonna try this? If so, let me know. I'll have everything linked for you in the bio. And as always, like, subscribe, hit that notification bell. That way you're well informed for the next time that I upload, and I will see you soon. Bye.